Morning with Maria. I'm Maria Luxinger, the Joyful Career Strategist, who helps women design careers they love that bring them joy and a plan for financial freedom. Joy is such a big part of the Women's Career Transformation Network. I am concerned with you living in joy and with joy every day. And sometimes we cannot live in joy if there are voices that are nagging us. Have you ever had something happen where someone has said something to you and it has just stuck in your mind, and every time you try to do something, that voice comes up. It says you can't do it, you're not good enough, or why would you want to do that? Maybe it's even from somewhere in your past that's way far back there. It could be a teacher, could be a parent, could have been something a friend said to you, but you can't seem to shake it, and it just keeps coming forward with you. Well, one of the things I do when you work with me in our programs is that I ask you about that joy. How is your joy level? And that affects everything. It affects your stress level, it affects your confidence, and so that's one of the first things that we want to address. And I have something called the joy restoration process, where we have a conversation and we work through these things that have been bothering you, and we get rid of them. We get rid of those old people that keep hanging around in your head, those things they said to you. We get rid of them. Just get rid of them once and for all. And instead of offering you a program today, I'm offering you a $97 session where we'll sit down and we'll talk about all of those people that have been bothering you in those situations, and we'll just get rid of them. So I'm offering you my $97 joy restoration process, and all you have to do is just get hold of me, direct message me. We'll set up a time that's good for you, and we're going to increase your joy level dramatically. So get hold of me, choose joy this week, and have a great week and take action. Bye for now.